Hello everyone, allow me introducing myself. My name is Rohana Muhammad from the Accounting Study Program Nusa Putra University. The next background, to fulfill the English Language Assessment for Session 15 and also the UAS assessment, to inform readers about the meaning of macroeconomics and also the factor that influence company financial. Here I will explain a little about the content of my second type paper assessment in session 14 a title Analysis of the Influence of Macroeconomic Factor on Company Financial Performance. Next discussion. Number 1, understanding macroeconomics. Number 2, understanding according to express. And 3, benefit and influence of macroeconomics. And 4, scope of macroeconomics. Next, understanding macroeconomics. Macroeconomics is a branch of economics that studies the behavior and performance of the economies as a whole. Macroeconomics function to analyze all aggregate indicator and macroeconomic factor that influence the economy. To understanding macroeconomics according to Express, Sadono Sukirno 2000, macroeconomics as a branch of economics that deals with the main problem of overall economic growth. This problem including unstable economic activity, influence and employment levels, and the plans of trade and payment. To Adam Smith. According to Adam Smith, macroeconomics is a form of analysis of the condition or causes of a country will that requires comprehensive research on economic activity. And the next, Robert S. Pidicci and Daniel L. Rubenfeld. According to Pidicci and Rubenfeld, macroeconomics is the section of economics that deals with aggregate economics variables such as national product growth rates, unemployment rates, interest rates, and influence. 3. Benefit and influence of macroeconomics. Macroeconomics goals. Macroeconomics policies themselves are carried out by the state and implemented by the government and the private sector to overcome problems in those areas. Here are some macroeconomic influences that are important to know. The next is state economy. With macroeconomics, we can clearly understanding the condition of a country's national income. From here, it can be clearly measured whether a country's economy is stable or not. Economic policies that will be implemented taken later can be more effective and efficient. And the next, overcoming inflation. Before to know the inflation of macroeconomics on inflation, it is also important to know what inflation is. Inflation it itself is a process in ascribing price in generic and quantitatively, and ascribing in the price of one or two goods cannot be considered. Inflation analysis it is widespread or short in ascribing the price of other goods. This is where macroeconomics has a inflation in determining the price of goods calculation on the market. Next, open job opportunities. The unemployment rate in the country has a negative impact on social life and the country's economic burden. With the extension of macroeconomics and its policies, the government can reduce unemployment to full employment levels. This means the macroeconomic influence are able to make the government and the private sector open up job opportunities. Next, maintain economic stability. Macroeconomic influence can also be seen from the condition of our economy, whether it is stable or not. In this case, stable does not mean the economic conditions in the country are always weak, but refers to conditions where the economic variable fluctuate, especially commodity price and income level. The rates level the are still relatively reasonably. Number 4, scope of macroeconomics. Scope of macroeconomics is branch of economics currently has a scope that is the focus of discussion. The following is the scope of macroeconomics. Number one, determining the country economy. The country stability to produce goods and service is one of the macroeconomic discussion. If the title the following is this discussion: government spending, company expense or investment, export and import, household consumption expenditure. Number two, government policy. A country economy will inevitably influence the problem of inflation and unemployment. To overcome this, the government will issue a number of policies, both fiscal and monetary. Number three, aggregate or comprehensive expenditure economic problems will arise if spending does not reach ideal levels. For example, good job opportunity can monitor the rates of inflation. Macroeconomics problem quoting the book Macroeconomics. Introducing to macroeconomics written by Iskandar Puting. Macroeconomics problems are divided into namely short and long term problems. Short term problems are generally related to how to manage the economy from one period to the next in the short terms to avoid problems. The problems that arise are usually as follows. First, inflation or rising commodity price caused by the commodity procurement system program not being in sync with people's income levels. Second, the unemployment rate is high, which actually occurs because there is a gap between job providers and the number of workers looking for work. Number three, any unequal balance of payments, which occurs due to turbulence in a country record of international economic transaction which other countries with a quarantine time frames, generally for 1 year. Meanwhile, long-term problems relate to how to regulate the economy so that it remains in harmony with several factors including the following: population growth, acceleration in production capacity, availability of funds for investment. Macroeconomic goals. The macroeconomic policies implemented have specific objectives to overcoming various problems that arise. The following are some macroeconomic policy objectives: profit, a high level of company employment opportunities, increasing national production capacity, increasing national income and economic growth, stability economic condition, make the balance of forgiving payment more balanced, make income distribution more equal. And the next conclusion: economics is a science that has developed science, nation, civilization. Economics is the science of the production, distribution, and compensation of goods, as well as various problems related to it, such as labor, financing, and finances. Of economics in the KBBI is the sciences of human social activities in meeting life's needs obtained from the environment. Macroeconomics also has a scope including fiscal policy, monetary policy, and growth policy. Macroeconomics. Maybe that's all I can convey. More or less, I apologize if in my delivery there are words that are wrong and not understood, and also there are many shortcomings in my presentation. Thank you very much. Thank you for ending. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.